YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we're here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is a device that came out about a year ago, and they will not be making a Note this year, guys. Samsung will not be making a Note this year, but this is definitely a 2-year device for me, guys. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First of all, guys, when we talk about a 2-year device, we gotta talk performance. This phone has been out for a year, and we have to talk about how it's performing at this point. And with a Snapdragon 865 processor, it's still performing beautifully, guys. Even compared to my S21 with the Snapdragon 888, which tends to overheat, the Note does not do that, guys. The Note is still a solid, smooth performer, so it should be able to last another year. I can't see me having any problems in the performance department, playing games, editing videos, whatever I choose to do, multitasking with this device, utilizing all the features. It will stay solid over the next year. In the camera department, this is where premium Samsung devices shine, guys. This device was a pretty penny when it came out. It was $12.99, guys. So yes, it should be a 2-year camera, and it definitely is. Compared to the smartphones that are flagships this year on the market, the Note still stacks up. The Note is in the top 5, guys. The Samsung always, their flagship, stay in the top 5 of the conversation. I get great video footage. I take great photos with this device, guys. I will not be missing out on anything. If you have a Note and there's no Note this year and you're a Note guy like me, you will not be missing out on any videography or photography that you do with your smartphone, because this device is just that solid compared to today's to the current flagships that was released in 2021 so far, guys. So definitely still just a solid device, guys, and we just gonna keep rocking it out. As you guys already know, the displays on flagship Samsung devices are gorgeous, and this device does not let down. After a year being on the market, it's really still nothing except for another Samsung device that you could put up next to this device and compare the screen to. The display is just beautiful, it's vivid. You can adjust how you see fit. I like how Samsung does it. And a year from now, guys, this display still will be top dog. So that's just not even a section that we need to speak on, because when it comes to Samsung and displays, it's already in the history books what they done did, guys. Overall, guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is just a super feature-packed device with its S Pen that you could use for anything, and still being able to use the stylus in the phone. And you also have micro SD memory expansion, which is just a dope feature that a lot of people wasn't ready to get rid of, guys. This is just a very feature-packed phone you can do a lot of things with, and it's still just a premium flagship a year later, guys. And just pause in the production of the Note, and maybe the Note coming out next year. This is definitely a device that you can just ride out till next year, guys. If you don't want to get a foldable, if you don't want to buy a new device and you got a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you are still good to go, guys, at this point in the game. Yeah, but this has been Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, just revisiting after a year, because some of us gonna have to just keep it till next year and see what happens next year. But this is your man BG Tech Life. Peace.